Ever wondered how you can grow your own beets right at home? Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own food, especially something as versatile and healthy as beets. It's surprisingly easy and certainly rewarding. Get ready to turn your thumb green and let's dive into the world of beet gardening. Before we begin, gather these essentials. A store-bought beet is our starting point. Next, a pot for planting, soil to provide nutrients and support, and water to hydrate your beet. With these items at hand, you're ready to start your beet growing journey. Now, follow these steps to grow your own beets. First, procure a healthy store-bought beet. Slice off the top third, ensuring you have a piece with both beet flesh and the leafy stem. Next, submerge the cut beet top in a shallow dish of water. Place it in a sunny location and wait for sprouts to appear, which typically takes around 1 week. Once sprouts appear, prepare a pot with rich, well-draining soil. Plant your sprouted beet top approximately 2 inches deep, with the sprouts peeking out of the soil. Water it generously, but avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Remember, growing beets require patience and consistent care. Keep your beet plant in a sunny spot and maintain a regular watering schedule. Monitor its growth and watch for any signs of pest infestation or disease. And voila! In a matter of weeks, you'll have your own homegrown beets. Growing your own beets is as simple as that. With a little patience and care, you too can enjoy homegrown goodness. Expand your green thumb, try other veggies. Remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and share your beet growing journey with us. Happy gardening!